All right, this is Oleg with OpenBOM. In my short video today, I'm going to demonstrate you how OpenBOM can make a 3D online takeoff directly from Autodesk Revit. So let's start using this sample terminal airport session with HVAC design and OpenBOM for Autodesk Revit. So settings are made in order to connect to the right OpenBOM account, and also I'm using this default catalog mapping, which will allow automatically to collect information about all categories and put this information in corresponding OpenBOM catalog. So let's start with the export. Export automatically detects all Revit families and create default mapping for the most used attributes. You can tune this information, but at this point we will just use default settings. Keep in mind, we want to be as simple as possible and extract all this information by default without you initially thinking about what needs to be done, because we automatically detect the right information that optimized and can be extracted and placed to OpenBOM online platform. So information is uploaded. OpenBOM uploads all attributes, create preview images, and potentially as an option can also upload drawing files. So once we finished, now let's wait. The information will be presented to us at the moment of time that data is uploaded. At this point, data, we could have been using Revit, but it was really quick. So let's go to this data set and we'll explore what actually we do have here. So as you can see, we get a structure of categories that uploaded, and I am in particular interested to this pipe accessories. So how to get a quick takeoff and being able to share it with anyone and to be able to export it. So as you can see, everything is already counted, but I will switch to a flatten BOM and I will choose the pipe accessory type of view, which is tuned for a particular type of accessory, for particular type of object. And as you can see now, we get the takeoff. We can sort it, we can add additional information, and of course we can export it, and we can export it to different formats: Excel, PDF, CSV. Let's take PDF. It will be the nicest possible option. The data is uploaded and we get the nice 3D takeoff. So all information is here and you can use it. So this was Oleg with OpenBOM for Autodesk Revit. Talk to you soon. Thank you very much.